What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm building a birdhouse. So we just emptied a box of like 2 dozens of toilet paper, and I thought, what do we do with the box? So today I'm building a birdhouse with the box with like materials. So let's see how this goes. So for this, the doors are just gonna be like this part, and these things are useless, kind of, and we need a lot of paper towels. So yeah, let's start designing. So the way how it's gonna open is this, but this part I can't get out for some reason, so I just have to stable it, and this is probably gonna be the only door. I just have to stable those two because those two aren't doors. It's too hard, and I'm just gonna stable these two, and then we'll just start decorating. So if the birds want to get in, it opens like this. Maybe I'll attach a handle, I don't know. And I'm just gonna start making the bedding inside.
So I'm gonna use the cardboard I cut off to like make a stand, and then right here, so it's nice and cozy. Maybe here's some paper or a mattress. Let me just wet it for softening. Okay, wet enough. It's also cold, but I don't care. Here's like sort of a decent mattress. Put it in there, and I'll need some grass. Just to make it look cool. Maybe it's like a nest. Get it in there as well. And yeah, I'll get some seeds. Oh, I didn't find seeds, but I did manage to find some rice. Don't tell me how I got that. I wet it to let the rice grow, so it's more. Maybe just set it like here, and this is maybe like chill room, maybe the rest. I might need to decorate it a little, so I'm just gonna put the rice a little closer, like that, so they can just eat, sleep, and I'll start decorating.
Okay, so we're done with our birdhouse. Pretty cool. I added some decorations, a handle, so the birds will be like, they'll grab the handle, it'll fall off. I added a lot of leaf for the bedding. If you can see, I added a water bowl with water inside it, and a little cool rock for like a chair, I don't know, and a lot of dry and dead leaves. So if a bird wants to come and sleep here, soft mattress, plenty of food, water, leaves, grass, and cool rock. And yeah.
Little house door inside it. Water bowl. Yeah, if you were a bird, I would like to live here. Unless it runs out of water. And the bed gets hard.
So after that, I made a welcome sign and drew the best picture of a bird I can. Awkward. And then hang it on my house. And yeah, it was ready to go. So I'm done. The only problem is I don't know where to put it. See, I'm not tall, and if I put it on the wall, it'll go into the neighbor's property. So after some searching, I found the best way where to put it.
Oh my god, hopefully this can hold it. I hope. Let's go! Every bird would want to go in here. So, if I was a bird, I couldn't read, but I'm just going to go inside here, pull on the handle, go inside, and just make myself a home. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
FYI, if you didn't know, 97.5 of you are not subscribed, like watching my videos. So better subscribe. Seriously.